degrees of comparison, adjective words ended with y or er or ow or le or t. Now you see these three adjectives: happy, lazy, easy. These three words are ended with the letter y. So in such case, add er to get the comparative degree. Add est to the word happy to get the superlative degree. These er and est are to be written at the end of the respective adjectives to get the comparative degree and superlative degree. Then observe these two adjectives. These two are ended with er. So if there are er letters, then add er to get the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. Next, narrow ended. Observe the ended letters OW. So same rule, er and est to get the comparative and superlative. These two words are ended with le. Same rule, to get the comparative add er and est to get superlative degree. Then t, the ending letter is t. So add er and est to get comparative and superlative degrees.